Okay, here's my Tennadyne antenna, and I want to get myself in position to where I know I'm not going to get into a tree, and I want to make sure that I'm away from the antenna. There we go. All right. I'm going to lower elevation. Oops. Okay, this antenna is at 56 foot. I got a problem with the beam, so I'm going to come down here and inspect it right here. And I'm good. So now I'm going to go ahead and put zoom mode. Okay, I want to inspect this cable coming up. I think it's twisted or broken. I'm at 32x zoom. Got a coupling there now. I have a feeling that's pulled out. See, we're twisted around, or we cut right here. We're twisted around. So I'm going to try to zoom back. I'm going to lower my elevation down a little bit more. Now I'm going to go to tripod mode. Turn. Slowly go around it here. Okay, from this angle, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. Okay. I'm going to be a little bit wilder because I'm under. There's obviously a pinch here or something going on. Zoom back here. Interesting. Go ahead and come over to the side of the. I'm going to come in a little closer to the tower. Oop, down. Come in. go. Now I'm going to rotate. I'm going to turn. Come around. Oh, I forgot I got a wire here too I got to be careful of. Better go up a little bit. Just got to be careful of this wire. I don't hit it. There's one wire. This is a long wire that goes. Raise up our elevation a little bit more. It's a 56-foot tower, so I think I'm in good shape. Right, let's inspect that while we're right here. This is a 9-to-1 Balun. It's in this box. Take that back. The 9-to-1 is that's a strain relief. So yes, the 9-to-1 is in this box right here. Okay, now we'll go ahead and go up. Maybe that wire is just pulled out, but I know we have a poor connection. Picture here. I'll bet it's pulled out of that connector is all. So it looks like the wire is good. It did get wrapped around the tower. And I'm going to say it got pulled right out of this connector. It looks like there's a connector right here. Yep. Okay, now I'm going to try to get out of this. See if I'm clear. Oh yeah, I'm clear to go straight up.